What's up, everybody? 2017 Flawless Full Case Random number 2. We are going live. Timestamp is 442. We randomize both teams and names, put you in the spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that is who you will have. So let's do the teams first. I already have them in, along with the names. Dice always 4 or more. It is a 6, going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Titans on top. Ooh, Chiefs in the second hole. 49ers on the bottom. ZFSUQV is the code. Let's get our teams in. There we go. And now to the names. Again, 4 more. 10 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final, number 10. Robert on top. Michael on the bottom. XACCCI. 3 C's. Wherever you line up, that's who you have, guys. Let's see what we got. Boom. Congrats. I guess. Congrats. I don't know. Maybe. Depends on who you like. Alright, that's it. We are done. Thanks a lot, guys. Good luck in the break. Timestamp is 443.